this little breakout board. And lastly, we've got another GPS product this week. This is a revision of an older product, and we've kind of tweaked it and revised it and done some different things with it. This is the Venus 638 FLP. It is a GPS module. We have it on this board. We've got an SMA connector. We've got some other stuff over here. And basically what this board is a nice little module that does everything you need to get the Venus IC up and running as GPS. All you need to do is add an antenna and then, read the data coming out of it. The couple interesting facts about this board are that on the back, we've actually now included a supercapacitor header. So if you look at the related products, we have a supercapacitor that solders directly onto this guy. So for power outages, things like that, the supercap will keep your GPS locked and ready. The other thing that's interesting about this board, which you may or may not know, this is one of the only, I think if not the only board we have that has a 20 Hertz update rate. So if you're looking for something really fast and you need that 20 Hertz update rate, you might want to check this board. I think it's the only one we have that does that. In addition, there's a couple different firmware sets that we have on the product page as well, where you can change the functionality of this. You can even store a small bit of data on this IC, so if you're doing something like tracking or recording different waypoints, you can actually use this IC to do all that directly on here, and you don't need another SD card or any other kind of logger on that. You can actually store it directly on the Venus IC. So these are extremely versatile boards, and I think a lot of people go with kind of the all-in-one solutions like the EM406 or 408 or things like that, but you might want to check out the Venus. It's a little bit more complicated to implement just because you have to solder directly to it and break these pins out, but it does have a lot of features. So yeah, check out the new Venus chip. So there you have it, some new products. So why don't you go ahead and slide on over to our website and check out what we've got for this week. Terrible. We've got a whole new product post, so check out the other products that we have on the website, and we'll see you again next week with even more new products.